Somebody's very happily over there just chewing up my winner. That's okay. It's $4. The barcode is down here. She just wants the corners. She loves lottery tickets. It's mainly because we always hold them to her to ask her to kiss them for luck, and she ends up taking like a little bite out of them, and she gives her little luck away. As I was saying earlier, like, look at this detail. Little minions, that's so cute. Stay blessed. Wow, my fingers look horrible from Furby, like, biting them. I'm gonna do my fingernails again. Some have fallen off, some have